6 reasons why you should consume half an avocado daily. Greetings! Welcome to King Willie's house. It's an honor and a pleasure for me to be with you today. Avocado is a superfood. Today, we are going to highlight 6 reasons why you should consume avocado daily. There is a lot of reasons you should, but for time reason, we just going to highlight 6. Reason number 1, weight loss. People tend to avoid avocado due to its calorie content and the texture, the richness of it. People think it's fattening. Well, brothers and sisters, I'm here today to tell you it ain't so. It's the opposite. Because avocado contain high dietary fiber and also the amino acid L-carnitine. High fiber for elimination. L-carnitine help transform fat into energy. So this sounds like a very good attribute to weight loss. Reason number 2, high blood pressure, HBP. Yes, I heard that all my life. Honey, don't put too much salt. I don't want no high blood pressure. But don't worry about that anymore. Matter of fact, put no salt or next to no salt, because avocado contain almost 30% of the daily recommendation for potassium. So eating your avocado will replace the potassium needed for the body, also help you in preventing high blood pressure. Reasons number 3, eyesight. Your eyes. Are they fatigued? Yes? Get your avocado, man. Avocado contain vitamin A and lutein. Lutein is eye supplement. So consuming your avocado regularly will definitely help with your eyesight. Reason number 4. I can forget my girls, my mama. Are you expecting? You pregnant? Well, avocado is the best food to eat if you are eating for more than one person. And pregnant, you're probably eating for 2, 3, or 4. Who knows? Might you get lucky? Also, avocado contain folic acid. If you check your prenatal, yes, that's a very high piece in your prenatal, because folic acid is essential in fetus development. So mama, eat your avocado. Reasons number 5. My brothers are there, I can't forget you. It's your bone health. You working hard. My athletes, well, avocado does the body good on that level also. Because avocado contains magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. Manganese is the most important mineral in bone health. So eat your avocado, boy, and be strong. Now, before I get to the last Don't forget to subscribe. Like, I hope you already liked the video. If you don't like it, let me know. Like, don't like. I welcome all feedback. Now, the last but not least is mood. Good mood. Avocado is mood food because of its content of folic acid, essential nutrient to the central nervous system. If you are stressed out from work, from study, avocado stimulate your nervous system. Good mood, baby. Eat your avocado and feel good. Until the next time, this was yours truly, King Willie. And next time, I will try to bring you some recipes to make eating avocado fun. Ciao. Enough love to my girl, Nina, Dom. I love you girls. Momo, je t'aime.